Pinoy Bics.
Welcome to Pinoy Bics. So, ang example natin ngayon ay mula sa CE Board, November 1996. The problem state that how many 4-digit numbers can be formed without repeating any digit from the following digits. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, remember without repetition. So, first, let us do the representation. So, yan, sinulat ko na dito. So, hinati ko to sa 4 na nag-represent ng, so, yung una para sa first digit, second digit, third digit, and fourth digits. So, sa first digit, so, since mayroon tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 numbers. Ang pwede mong gamitin ditong numbers ay 5. So, sa second digit, remember, without repetition. So, since nagamit mo na yung isa, so, 4 na lang. Sa third digit, so, 3 na lang yung natira. And the fourth digit, so, 2 na lang. So, third step, so, let n equivalent to total number form. So, unang method natin, gamitin natin yung principle or the fundamental principle of counting. So, there, n is equivalent to first digit, so 5, so, times 4, times 3 for the third digit, and times 2 for the fourth digit, so equivalent to 120. Sa second method, pwede natin gamitin yung permutation formula. Since ang given problem natin ay with given specific na arrangement. So therefore, using the formula of 4 permutation, n, so equivalent to, so n permutation r. Okay. Yung n natin dito is the total number. For this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yung mayroon tayong 5. And r is taken at a time. So, since 4 digits, so 4 natin yung r natin dito. So, therefore, so we have 5 factorial over 5 minus r. So, 5 minus 4 factorial equivalent to 5 factorial over 1 factorial equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. So, yung 1 na-cancel na. Equivalent to 120. So, ayan yung permutation formula. So, pwede mong gamitin yung inyong calculator. So, input nyo lang. So, 5 permutation 4. So, ang lalabas doon ay 120. So, ayan, that's all. Sana natutunan nyo kung paano isolve yung ganitong problem using the fundamental principle of counting and the permutation formula. So, finalize natin yung ating sagot. There are 120 number that can be formed without repeating any digit. So, huwag niyong kalilimutan mag-subscribe po sa aking channel. So, para sa susunod pong mga video, mas paibayan nyo. So, again, thank you and magandang araw.
Pinoy Bics.